Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn how to talk about your house. This is a lesson on nouns. Let us start with a question. Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? Where? Saan? Do live? Nakatira. You is ka. Here are the different words for where you live. House, bahay. Residence, tirahan. Home, tahanan. Now let us focus on what makes up a house or bahay. Let us use a drawing of a house to learn words. From the outside, a house has the following parts. A roof or bubong. Wall, pader. Door, pinto. Window, bintana. And some houses have a garage or garahe. Let us extend the drawing of the house to learn more words. Gutter, alulod. Pipe, tubo. If you are lucky and you have a house with a garden, that is hardin. Now, the front of your house is called harap, and the back of your house is likod. Now let us add some more to this house. If the house has a second floor or second level, that is called pangalawang palapag. Pangalawang palapag. It can also have a balcony, balkonahe. And to refer to downstairs or the bottom of the house, we say baba. And to refer to upstairs or at the top of the house, taas. Here are some more words. Ilan pang mga salita. Some, ilan. More, pang. Words, mga salita. The interior or inside is loob. The exterior or outside of your house is labas. The surroundings of your house is called paligid. Now let us use those new words to talk about work that you will do around the house. Let us clean the house exterior. Linisin natin ang labas ng bahay. As natin. Clean, linisin. The, ang. House, bahay. Now, labas ng bahay is actually exterior of house and off is ng. Exterior is labas. I will sweep the front. Wawalisan ko ang harap. I, ko, will sweep, wawalisan, the, ang, front, harap. Okay, I will clean the gutter. Sige, lilinisin ko ang alulod. Okay, sige. Will clean, lilinisin. Gutter, alulod. Now let us look at statements looking for things or people in the house. Where is the car? Nasaan ang kotse? Where? Nasaan? the, ang, car, kotse. Because the question started with nasaan, the answer starts with nasa. It's in the garage. Nasa garahe. In the, nasa. Garage, garahe. Where is Jack? Nasaan si Jack? Jack is at the balcony. Nasa balkonahe si Jack. At the, nasa. Balcony, balkonahe. Now we have a separate lesson on using the word where and how to answer it when you're looking for things, people, places, locations. I will put the links in the description below. Sometimes we have to talk about repair works that needs to be done to your house. So, the house has some problems. May ilang mga problema ang bahay. The, ang. House, bahay. Has, may. Some, ilang. Problems, mga problema. The roof has damage. May sira ang bubong. So, roof, bubong. Has is may. Damage, sira. The gutter is blocked. Barado ang alulod. So, gutter, alulod. Blocked, barado. Here's another one. The door is broken too. Sira din ang pinto. So, door is pinto. Broken, we also use the word sira. And tu is din. Now here are some adjectives or mga pang-uri which you can use to describe a house. Small, maliit. Big, malaki. Simple, simple. Stylish, magara. New, bago. Old, luma. Now let us use those in sentences. My house is small. Maliit ang bahay ko. My, ko. House, bahay. Small, maliit. My house is just simple. Simple lang ang bahay ko. Just, lang. Simple, simple. My house is old. Luma ang bahay ko. Old, luma. And here are examples talking about someone else's house. I like your house. Gusto ko ang bahay mo. I like, gusto ko. Your, mo. And house, bahay. It is stylish. Magara ito. It, ito. Stylish, magara. Your house is big and new. Malaki at bago ang bahay mo. Big, malaki, and, at, new, bago. A house will of course have rooms or mga kwarto. Here are some new nouns for you. You can use this for your practice. Lounge, living room is sala. Dining room, kainan. Kitchen, kusina. Bathroom, banyo. Bedroom, kwarto. Filipinos will often refer to their bedroom as simply cuarto, and laundry is labahan. In our next episodes, we will focus on each of these rooms. That is our lesson today. I hope you found it useful. For your homework, go around your house and identify its parts in the Filipino language. Write about work that needs to be done in and out of your house in the Filipino language. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!